Hello, guys. This is Mehul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here and if you really like my contents, please consider subscribing. So, digital marketers already know this fact that how much important it is to keep your customers, users, or audience bounded into your ecosystem. But how do we do that in social medias? Obviously, by cross linking or backlinking all of the social medias into one another. Even in this video description, you can see that I have put my social media links. Speaking of which, let's connect in another social medias too. Let's have a chit chat there. Now back into business. So here's the fact: some of the social medias, like Instagram, don't let you put links in the description of your post. Likewise, they just have one field to put your website in it. But to be very honest, neither all of us have a website nor we are willing to, right? So, what maximum individual does is, if they are a YouTuber, they put their channel link or latest video link. If they are a designer, they put their Behance account or Dribble account link, etc. Now, if I tell you there's a way by which you can just put one single link everywhere and attached all of your social media links to that one link. How cool is that, right? And it's not some kind of sorcery. Let me show you how. So all of you guys can see here is one of my video, the last video, fight against global warming in 30 seconds. Please check out that video. I will put the link in the I button. Okay. And so here in the video description, you can see here's a link, that is linktree/Mehul Kundu. If we click on this link, it will show some page like this. So here what I have done is I have linked all of my social medias, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube is backlinked also in it, and LinkedIn. And here is my latest videos link. Here is a link for buy me a coffee. If you want to support me, please buy me a coffee. And here is link for personal accounts. So what it is basically, this linktree is a cool website. You can see linktr.ee. It's a link shortener type thing. And here's my username of the platform. So what Linktree does is, Linktree basically generates a page for you, a page like this. Okay. And you can attach or link all of your social media accounts here in the bottom, and you can attach other links also. You can attach here a payment link also, and it just create a shareable web link for you, and you can put this shareable web link anywhere, right? Fair enough. Now this Linktree is totally free. Linktree account is totally free. There's a section of pricing, but this pricing is for only for using pro features. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so let me show you the pricing plans also. Oh, it's taking time. Okay, it's not taking time. So there's a $6 subscription per month to get a really good, really like professional dashboard or something like that. Actually their pro features are also good. Like they provide a lots of customization in this page if you like subscribe to pro. So basically that's it for this video. Please try Linktree and use Linktree links in all of your social medias, to link all of the social medias in one single link. It's totally hassle free. This platform is really easy to use. You just have to put a link name, the link itself, and that's it. Then share the link. No coding, no hassles, nothing. So that's it for this video. Bye.